TubeBuddy is a powerful browser extension, an online platform that helps YouTubers optimize and grow their channels. https://www.tubebuddy.com/1bizop. It offers a variety of tools and features designed specifically for YouTube, including 1. Keyword research and optimization for titles, tags, and descriptions. 2. Channel management and organization tools. 3. Video SEO optimization to improve visibility and rankings. 4. Automated video thumbnails and end screens. 5. Analytics and performance tracking. 6. And many more. The purpose of TubeBuddy is to provide YouTubers with the tools they need to succeed on the platform, and to help them grow their channels and reach more viewers. Whether you're just starting out or you're an established creator, TubeBuddy can help you take your channel to the next level. So if you're looking to improve your YouTube channel and grow your audience, consider giving TubeBuddy a try. Highlight its key features and benefits for YouTubers. Keyword research and optimization. Find the best keywords to target for your videos and optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions for maximum visibility. Channel management. Keep your channel organized and streamlined with features like bulk video editing, custom tags and annotations, and more. Video SEO optimization. Improve your videos' rankings with video SEO best practices and see how your videos are performing with detailed video analytics. Automated thumbnail and end screen templates. Quickly create custom thumbnails and end screens with customizable templates, saving time and effort. Earn more with affiliate marketing. Maximize your earnings by promoting affiliate products in your videos and on your channel. Streamline your workflow. Get more done in less time with tools like the Video Planner, the Tag Explorer, and more. Overall, TubeBuddy provides YouTubers with a comprehensive suite of tools and features to help them grow their channels and reach more viewers. By optimizing their content, streamlining their workflow, and unlocking new monetization opportunities, TubeBuddy helps YouTubers reach their full potential on the platform. Here are some benefits that many users have experienced. 1. Increased visibility. With tools like keyword research and optimization, users have reported higher rankings and more visibility for their videos. 2. More organized and efficient workflow. TubeBuddy's channel management tools have helped users save time and effort by streamlining their workflow. 3. Improved video performance. With video analytics and performance tracking, users have been able to identify what's working and what's not, and make informed decisions to improve their videos and channel. 4. Increased monetization opportunities. With features like affiliate marketing and custom end screens, users have been able to increase their earnings and maximize their revenue. Overall, many YouTubers have reported significant improvements to their channels after using TubeBuddy, and have found it to be a valuable tool in their journey to grow their channels and reach more viewers. So why not give it a try and see what it can do for you? https://www.tubebuddy.com/1bizop. It can help with SEO, tags, descriptions, and more. 1. Keyword research. Use TubeBuddy's keyword research tool to find the best keywords to target for your videos and optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions for maximum visibility. 2. Optimize your video titles. Create attention-grabbing titles that accurately reflect the content of your videos and are optimized for search. 3. Tag optimization. Use TubeBuddy's Tag Explorer to find the best tags for your videos and optimize your tags for maximum visibility. 4. Description optimization. Write compelling and SEO-friendly descriptions that accurately describe your videos and include relevant keywords. 5. Video analytics. Track your video performance and see how your videos are ranking for specific keywords with TubeBuddy's video analytics tool. 6. End screen optimization. Create custom end screens with affiliate links, calls to action, and more to maximize your monetization opportunities. With these and many other features, TubeBuddy provides YouTubers with the tools they need to optimize their content for search and reach more viewers. So if you're looking to improve your SEO and grow your channel, consider giving TubeBuddy a try. https://www.tubebuddy.com/1bizop. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount for viewers who want to try out TubeBuddy. Simply use the promo code TB2023 at checkout to receive 20% off your first purchase. After your free trial, https://www.tubebuddy.com/1bizop. With its powerful features and tools designed specifically for YouTube, TubeBuddy is the perfect tool to help you optimize your content and grow your channel. Whether you're just starting out or you're an established creator, TubeBuddy can help you reach your full potential on the platform. So don't wait, take advantage of this limited time offer and give TubeBuddy a try today. Remember to use the promo code TB2023 at checkout to receive your discount. https://www.tubebuddy.com/1bizop. Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Then download and try out TubeBuddy today. With its powerful features and tools designed specifically for YouTube, TubeBuddy is the perfect tool to help you optimize your content and grow your channel. Whether you're just starting out or you're an established creator, TubeBuddy can help you reach your full potential on the platform. So what are you waiting for? Download TubeBuddy today and start growing your channel like never before. Try it out now and see the difference for yourself. https://www.tubebuddy.com/1bizop.